Here's the man himself, James, working on some hot side tubing for the customer's Mustang. Just recently mounted fuel cell. Did some more tubing there. Customer supplied a bunch of parts, just trying to modify and make them work. Firewall modification with a piece that the customer brought in as well. We did some work to the rear back here, actually installing their housing that they had to make some adjustments. Added antiroll and the wishbone we added over there. You can see that kind of stuff. Actually had to make a modification. The last fab shop that it was at didn't make enough room for a drive shaft, so we actually had to cut out drive shaft loops and such, and make room for his drive shaft as well. So just a couple modifications going on with that. I also did customers' front end limiters as well. So mounting up turbo, you know, all that fun little stuff with that. There we have it.
Also installed their TBM brakes and made mounts for their front end to be mounted as well. So the to-dos are getting to done. Check back for more videos, like and subscribe to our channel at JSE Race Cars. Thanks for viewing.